Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been wanting to make this video ever since I started on the SR20 build. I've been working on this in the background quite a bit. I'm finally painting the SR20 valve cover. Not that I needed it right now, but you know, it's always nice to have some of that mid motivation. And I wanted to try out these new paints, and the weather's dying out. It's starting to get cooler. My garage and stuff isn't really the best for doing this kind of stuff in the winter. So I'm doing it now. This thing was like a orangish green pearl, which doesn't fit the build at all. It's not the color scheme I'm going for. Insert a little video of it here if I have a picture of it. Not stripped, I'll post that. This picture may be of while the aircraft stripper was going on it. So that's what I started with. We don't want to spray over nasty gunky paint. It was chipping off and everything. So the very first thing was to take it down to bare aluminum. So after multiple coats of that, some sanding with the DA, a little bit of a wire brush, and took a scuff pad, some glass cleaner, water hose, just kept going over it, reapplying where I needed it. This is what we got right now. Got a nice bare aluminum cover, but as you can tell by the title, I'm going to do the YASHIO factory thing, which is always like this pink candy paint with these crazy little grinder marks. And the way I'm going to do that, one of these abrasive wheels and of a Milwaukee grinder. So I got to put that on charge real quick, I think, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. I probably could put it in my drill, but I don't think it'll work as good. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to start the design on this. I got to take out this AN fitting, so I don't want that in there. And then we're going to make our grinder marks, give it one last good cleaning, and then tape up a few spots. So this is going to be sick, guys. Alright, so now the main important part is our paints. So I decided to go with the Tropical Glitz. So these are candy paints that go on very transparent. They'll show the grinder marks. We got two colors, and it should fade. So we're going to have Cosmic Pink, which is a brighter, more YASHIO style pink, and then we have a darker pinky purple to go toward the back. This one's going to have multiple color flakes. This one's just metallic. And we got a 2K clear. So I'm going to start with the front, put a few light coats on. Stop about halfway. Second coat, I'll go a little less far so it fades it thinner. And then I'll do the same thing from the other side with the other one. And then that way you see a nice transition into the two colors. I hope. First time trying this candy paint, but pretty good results. I think it's going to look sick. So, let's see. Yeah, so first coat, and I did go it even a tad heavier than probably what we should have. And you see the color shift in it. Definitely going to let this dry more. Should leave our grinder marks. I'm going to give this a good little bit. If we go back and hit it again. Hope this actually comes out pink over top of this chromy looking. It's getting real purple, but we'll see. So it's had a few days to sit. So I took the grinder and I polished the letters using the same little cookie disc. I put the AN fittings back in it. So we have our Cosmic Pink to our Plum Fade. If you hit it in the light just right, the grinder marks have the nice blue tint. They are in the pink too. You have to get it. It's a little bit harder to see them in the pink. Pop the cover off. I'm not going to run this. I was planning on it originally, but after seeing it on this cover, I'm not about it. We need something a little fancier. So make sure to get down in there. Fade continues on. Yeah, check out that flake. And then definitely see all the you know, candy with the color shift. You get a few different tones depending on how the light's hitting it. Super stoked with this. Think this is going to look awesome. So yeah, pretty cool. Definitely going to get a nice cool looking cap. And then maybe even go ahead and, I normally don't do it, I may get the fancier AN line this time with the little colored weave in it. And then get the polished coil cover to match the polished lettering. It's gonna look sick. So if you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment. After you hit the like, there's a new hype button. If you guys could hit that, that would be sick. And we're going to be getting into more of the SR20 build here. It's probably going to be a little bit. I got some stuff to do to the Civic, so be on the lookout for that uploads. I'm about to make a closing for that. So I've been multitasking a lot these last couple weeks. And then after those two, I don't know what the next video after that is. I think I do have some more stuff coming for the Civic, some more stuff to do to it. Import Alliance is coming up in another month or so, so I'm going to be going to that. And then after that, really, this winter is just hitting the 240 as hard as I can. So stay tuned.